Now what they're doing is mixing up some dirt for or potting soil for up potting the tomatoes. That's what we're doing.
Alrighty folks, we borrowed a cement mixer to try it. The only thing is getting the peat moss in there. But if this don't work out, we know where the backhoe's at. And of course, little Dixie down here is helping. Trying this here right now, doing it in the backhoe's leading the way, mixing our dirt on. But we'll see here when we start adding the rest of our stuff. We're adding a little bit of bone meal now and blood meal. I'm going to wet it down just a little bit. Try to cut down the dust from the perlite. Now folks, I'm telling you now, prefer the backhoe. There's a lot less waste. Alrighty, open this here up. Get your little nose back, honey. But it's handy about mixing it up. But I'd rather do a little bit more elbow work with the backhoe. With a hoe than this here. As you can see, we're losing a little bit there, where the other we just able to pour it right down into the, cut the bag in the backhoe, and that is it. Alrighty folks, we're trying it a different way this time. Don't breathe that dust in. Like this. Hopefully it'll work. We'll try it and see. Alrighty, folks. We was going to start up potting these, but things just got away from us and we didn't get them. Of course, it may be a good thing. Just looked at the weather forecast and they're giving snow showers Wednesday. So if it does get real cold, we can always just close this back down, the lid here. But they're looking pretty good. They're ready to be up potted. Now in this video we also got where we was making some more dirt. We borrowed a cement mixer. We might have to make just a little bit more dirt for what we've got here. Oh, let's go down here and we'll take a look. Here's another one of our tomato plants. And then over here is one of our early girls. You can see she's getting her tomato on there. And then up through here's our peppers. Here's Daniel's chives he started. Now this was supposed to have been sterile soil, which means it's sterilized. There's nothing, no seeds in it or anything. But you can see the other stuff are growing in it. But no, we're just waiting for Mother Nature to. Here's some of Carolyn's flowers. I believe she showed you that in the video the other day. Folks, I'd like to thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all have a blessed week. Lord willing, we'll be seeing you Wednesday. Thank you again for watching. Y'all take care.